Hey everybody, it's Miranda with MIRARTISTRY. I wanted to show you this quick blue look by Alyssa, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I applied tape so it'll be a little easier for the application of everything. I did apply the Anastasia primer. Today I'm first going in as the transition shade, HOE. Oops, I did forget to apply the highlighter, which is headliner. Very white and matte. After I applied enough, I did go back into HOE on the Alyssa palette so it can blend very well. I did pick the hardest color, which is Dream It, the blue. I've been told and seen a lot of videos of girls trying to apply this and it just will not stick. So pat it is all I can say. It's the only color that has trouble on the entire palette. But I did apply lightly in the inner liner to create a little smoky into the brown. But as you can tell, I'm patting and patting and patting the color onto my lid. After I did blend, I jumped into the Subculture palette and got the glittery Electric, which is very goldy green, blue. Depending on which eyeshadow you use, it will look so awesome with it. I should have used glitter primer or regular primer to enhance the color, but I just went ahead and just applied it over the blue. I did reset all the colors before I removed my tape. Removed the excess, and I did use Derma Blend concealer to make it more sharp. And then also the anti-aging concealer under my eye to help blend it out and make it lighter under my eye. I used my absolute favorite eyeliner by Stillo, which is the Micro Tip. So fun and sharp. It has a very, very fine tip. I love it. Once I was done with that, I did set my face with Cool Tone bronzer just by Ulta. And that's the look that I got from the palette. Not too bad. I also did use for my lipstick was a matte ink Maybelline called Amazonian, and it went very well with the look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe.